What's up, guys? And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really cool skill toy. It's like a yo-yo. First, you're going to take a Technic pin that I trimmed down. Next, you're going to put this on, or like this. Next, you're going to take a wad of string and put that on there. Next, you're going to put that on there. Squeeze it. Make sure there's a little knot. And then this is how to do your first trick. Basically, so you put this on your thumb and hold on to this. Then you grab onto that and then throw it up and it'll come back and then you have to catch it. It's like a yo-yo. Say the names of this you guys want in the comments. Watch. Oh, hold on. See? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment the name that you want.